Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a custom scrollbar using HTML and CSS. So in order to create a scrollbar like this, you only need to write 4 lines of code. So this is actually really simple. So let me just close this. So in Google Chrome, we normally see a scrollbar like this. So I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can change the scrollbar design using HTML and CSS. So first of all, let me just go to my index.html, and here you can see I just link the style.css inside the head section. So we'll just directly go to style.css. So inside the style.css, we'll give this double clone over here, then we'll say over here minus web kit. Then we'll give another minus and we'll say over here scrollbar. Then we'll give 2 second bracket, and here we are going to mention the scrollbar width. So let's say width will be 15 px. So we are mentioning the scrollbar width over here. So right now if we save this, then if we just refresh over here you can see there is no scrollbar. The thing is, the scrollbar is over here, but it is transparent. So we need to mention the scrollbar color over here. So in order to do that, let's go back to our code, and here we'll copy this WebKit scrollbar and we'll paste it over here. And here we're going to say scrollbar thumb. Then stop with, we're going to say over here background, and let's say the background color will be this one. So right now if we save this, then if we now refresh over here we can see the scrollbar over here, and it's a little bit different color. So right now let's make the corner round over here. So in order to do that, we just need to say over here border radius, it will be, let's say 12 px. Save this, then refresh over here, and here you can see it become round over here. So let's say you want to give a color for the track over here, for this scrollbar track. So in order to do that, we just need to copy this again, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So stop thumb, we are going to say over here track, and let me just remove those from here, and we are going to say over here background, this time background color, not just background, and let's say the background color will be 63, 63 and 63. So right now save this, then refresh here, and here you can see there is now a background over here for the scrollbar. Now for this scrollbar over here, you can use a different kind of color over here as well. So for it, first of all, let me just search over here linear gradient color code. So after you search this linear gradient color code, just go to this link cssgradient.io, and if you come over here you will see something like this. So you can just choose a different color from here, as you can see. So I'll just choose this one randomly, and here what you need to do is that you just need to go down, and here you can see background linear gradient. So you just need to copy this, and then let's go back to our code, and here you can see WebKit scrollbar thumb. So over here instead of this color, we're going to use this one linear gradient. So paste it over here, let's save this. So right now if we just refresh over here you can see the scrollbar color is different right now. You can even use the image over here if you want, although this doesn't make sense, but let me just show you. You can also use image over there as well. So here stop in the scrollbar thumb, we'll say over here background image, then we'll say over here URL to first bracket to single quotation, and here we can mention our image. So here I have an image over here which is testimage.png. So I'll just mention over here testimage.png. So right now if we save this, then if we now refresh over here, you can see that the color changed over here. If you want to see the full image, then you need to, let's say over here, let's say width will be 70 px. Save, then refresh over here you can see the image over here like this. So you can do this as well. So this is how you can make your own custom scrollbar using CSS. So I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question or any problem, you can let me know in the comment section. Thanks in for watching and make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.